Hi friends, it's Miss Drywa. We're going to continue working on and reviewing division making equal groups to help us solve it. Again, we have some strategies that we can use if we memorize your multiplication facts, making equal groups, or skip counting. So let's get started. Again, we're just going to review some information or important rules, do a couple problems, and then you can go off. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so making equal groups. So remember, this is our division symbol. This is what it looks like, right? We have a line with two dots. We see that symbol, we know we have to divide. Alright, we're breaking apart the bigger number. Alright, and this is our bigger number, our dividend. That's our number that needs to be divided equally amongst the 7. Okay, and then we get our answer, our quotient. And the rules that we need to follow. So our division rules, again, these just help us. So if we see problems with these numbers, we can do them a little faster. So any number divided by 1 equals that same number, just like in multiplication. So if I do 5 divided by 1, I'm going to get 5. If I do 10 divided by 1, I'm going to get 10. Any number divided by 0 always equals 0. So the number could be 200 divided by 0, it's going to equal 0. You can't divide something into 0 groups. If you have no groups, then you can't divide it into that. Okay? And any number divided by the same number always equals 1. So if I have 7 divided by 7, it's going to equal 1. If I have 10 divided by 10, it's going to equal 1. Alright, so let's get started so this doesn't take too much time. Alright, so we have our division problem here, our equation. We have 30 divided by 10 equals. So remember, friends, this is my dividend. This is the number that needs to be divided equally into this many groups. So I need to divide 30 equally into 10 groups. So my first step would be to make 10 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my 10 equal groups. It's a lot of groups, friends. So this is where I tell you, like, if you have your multiplication facts memorized or you're able to skip count, it might help you. But we'll do that after we do this problem because I want to show you all strategies. So I now have my 10 groups. The next step now is to divide this 30 equally amongst all these 10 groups. Because remember, we want to be fair. So all I do is I put a line in each group and I count until I get to 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I divided my 30 equally amongst these groups. Now I can see it is equal because I ended over here. This was my last group and I ended there, so I know it's equal. If I would have ended here or here or here, it wouldn't have been equal because that means I did not get to finish, and that means all these groups have more than the groups I didn't. But I did. I ended on this one, my last one. So I know they're all equal. So now all I have to do is go and count how many are in each group. So since I know this is my last one, I can just count this one. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 in each group. So now 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Now again, friends, if you're able to skip count, you can skip count by 10 on your fingers until you get to 30. So 10, 20, 30. Well, how many fingers do I have up? I have 3 fingers up. So that means my answer is 3, and that's what we got here. also, friends, if you remember your multiplication facts, you can say, what times 10 equals 30? Because remember, we go backwards, so I'm missing my first number. And I can think, well, wait a minute, I remember 3 times 10 equals 30. I have my 30, I have my 10, I'm just missing my 3. Okay, so let's do another one together. So I have 25 divided by 5. So I have to do 25 divided equally into 5. So I have to make my 5 groups, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I count to 25 now, putting a line in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right, and I ended in my last group, so that means they're all equal. So now I can just count my last group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, again, friends, 25 divided by 5 equals 5. I could also skip count by 5 on my fingers until I get to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many fingers do I have up? I have 5 fingers up. We got the same answer because 5 times 5 equals 25. All right, friends. Great job. Awesome work. Nice listening. Thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.